Hi everyone, welcome to the muster drill. I'm Scott, and I just got off a 3-day cruise on the MSC Seaside, and I had a bunch of time that I need to kill before I can check into my resort in Orlando. So I decided, hey, why not come and finally, once and for all, see what the hype is all about. So after 45 minutes, I finally made it to the Buc-ee's in Daytona Beach, Florida. I am so excited. Let's go in and check it out. Oh my God, I am so overwhelmed. This place is just beyond my wildest dreams. I think I have to go back to the entrance and reset. So this place is absolutely insane and incredible all at the same time, and I unfortunately am so overwhelmed that I have to come out here to the car. I did get a couple of souvenirs, and I'm gonna take them to the car, and I'm going to chill out for a moment and regroup before I head back in for something to eat. So Buc-ee's is absolutely everything that everybody says it is. It's an amazing, incredible place. So much stuff to see and so much stuff to get and buy in there. It's incredible. By recommendation, I had the chopped brisket sandwich with pickles and onions. It was incredible. I also got a Buc-ee's lemonade. It was really amazing as well. So I definitely enjoyed my trip here and I was not disappointed at all. And if you are within driving distance of a Buc-ee's, so you should definitely make the trip because you will not be disappointed. So now that I'm thoroughly overwhelmed and sufficiently full from that massive sandwich that I had from Buc-ee's, it's time for me to start my trip back to Orlando. So I think that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in. And if you like this video, don't forget to click that like button. And then don't forget to click the subscribe button. It won't cost you anything. You click it once and you're done. It'll really help us out a lot. And then don't forget to click that notification bell so that you know every time we upload a new video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.